In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your business to Google Maps from your Android phone and then display it on your WordPress website step by step. This method works whether your site is live online or running locally, and it only takes a few minutes to set up. If you want customers to easily find your location, this is a must-do. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple WordPress and tech tutorials. All right, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open Google Maps on your Android phone. Search for your business name in the search bar. If your business is already listed, tap on it to open the full location details. If it's not listed yet, you'll need to create and verify your business profile first through Google Business Profile. But once it appears on Maps, the process is exactly the same. Once you're on your business location page inside Google Maps, tap on the Share button. This will open sharing options for your business listing. Now, instead of just sending the link through messaging apps, what we want is the Embed option. On Android, you may need to tap Copy Link first, especially if you're working between mobile and desktop. Go ahead and copy the link to your business location. If you're doing part of this process on desktop, you can open that copied link in a browser. Click on Share again, and then choose Embed a Map. Google will generate an HTML iframe code for you. This is the code that allows your WordPress website to display your business location directly on your page. Copy the entire HTML embed code provided by Google Maps. Now that we have the link or embed code, let's move over to WordPress. Log into your WordPress dashboard by going to yourdomain.com/wp-admin and entering your login details. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the page where you want your Google Map to appear. This could be your contact page, about page, or even your home page. Click Edit on that page. Inside the WordPress block editor, click the plus icon to add a new block. From the block options, search for Custom HTML and select it. This block allows you to paste raw HTML code directly into your page. Now paste the Google Maps embed code that you copied earlier into the custom HTML block. Make sure you paste the full iframe code without deleting any part of it. Once pasted, you can click Preview within the block to confirm that the map is displaying correctly. If everything looks good, click Save or Update at the top right of your WordPress editor. After saving, click View Page to see your live website. You should now see your business location displayed as an interactive Google map directly on your WordPress site. Visitors can zoom in, get directions, and view your business details straight from your website. This is extremely important for local SEO and for building trust with your customers because it shows them exactly where you're located. It also makes it much easier for people to find your physical business. And that's it. You've successfully added your business to Google Maps from Android and embedded it into your WordPress website. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy WordPress and digital marketing tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a full guide on verifying your Google business profile or optimizing it for better rankings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.